under arrest.
You have to submit to the person in authority making the arrest.
Then, when you are already arrested and maybe detained, then you have to start the machinery of justice role. You go to the Supreme Court, pag hindi, ako,
Go to the Supreme
dumaan ako sa rat, okay na sa akin. Well, nothing to lose na ako. Nothing to lose, absolutely nothing. Hindi ba rin ako sabihin mo kulong ng habang buhay? Wala ako. Inside